What's the meaning of boundless? Boundless. Boundless.
Boundless. Boundless. The term boundless means without limits or boundaries. It refers to something that has no end or constraints and can be unlimited in size, scope, or nature. The result of boundless can be both liberating and overwhelming at the same time. On one hand, it allows for endless possibilities and opportunities for growth and exploration, but on the other hand, it can also lead to uncertainty and confusion due to the lack of structure and constraints. Embracing the concept of boundless requires a willingness to accept the unknown and the ability to navigate through ambiguity and complexity.